Well, now that the renovations are pretty much finished here at the Cardiff Buddhist Centre, we thought we'd give you a quick tour just in case you haven't had a chance to come down and see for yourself. So outside of the building you might notice a little bit of a different colour. So thanks so much for the community members who did the painting and actually who did so much of the renovation, as well as the professional builders. You might notice a new sign up here, beautifully made, handmade by Sagradana, one of our order members. So fantastic woodwork, so that's great. And shall we, before it starts raining too much, shall we go inside and have a look? So you'll see fewer cracks, or no cracks in fact. So that whole outside wall out there has been changed, as you know, and then all repainted. Going in, come on in. Here we go. So you'll notice new floors. You'll notice new places to hang your coat. You'll notice there's no wall over here. So all change. Last time I think we had this video, there was a big hole in the floors. It's nice to have the proper floor in, the tea station back in, our poster up on the wall, the Ordilion Redon, if I've said that correctly, the books back in place. And then, yes, our new lounge area, which is just coming together. We do have a couple of tables that are going to go in as well, which are just being lacquered and finalised, and a few bits extra to put on the wall. But you'll see a lot cleaner, a lot clearer, a lot more of a structurally integral wall over here, so that's great. And then one of the other big changes, having knocked this wall out, the stairs, which are not quite finished just yet. They still need carpets and a bit of painting, but that'll be this week. And then obviously with the wall gone, we were able to put coats, racks here, and then an entrance into the main shrine room. So yeah, the main shrine room slightly reorganised with the shrine in the middle there. So yeah, quite a big change. As you'll notice, a few little bits and pieces still to be finalised, some carpeting to go in, some posters to put up, but broadly speaking, yeah, a big change, and we hope you get a chance to come and see it at some point soon.